The DF16 rebar binder, developed by Vergalhões, the specialist in professional equipment for reinforced concrete construction. Its innovative design and operation significantly raise productivity when binding reinforcing steel rods. A large building site in Munich, an office building is being put up, and one of the most important components, the reinforcing steel rod. First, the combination of the reinforcement and concrete gives the building the stability required. Until now, creating the steel mesh was a protracted and strenuous task. That's why the engineers at Vergalhões developed the DF16 rebar binder, and it does away with all the drawbacks of the conventional method. The first differences can soon be seen when a direct comparison is made. Even the most experienced steel fixer cannot manage more than 400 reinforcement knots an hour with pliers. The DF16 can produce up to 1,000 knots in the same duration. A lot of strain is put on the worker's lumbar region of his spine because time and again the worker has to bend down low when he uses his pliers. Excessive strain on the wrist is caused by the habitual rotating movements of his hand. This will slow the steel fixer's work rate down and may even render him unable to work anymore. The DF16 rebar binder is based on a user-friendly concept, needs no battery and can be used anywhere. The magazine can be changed quickly and easily. Before use, the DF16 has to be loaded once. In addition to usage horizontally, the DF16 can also be used vertically on walls and supports. Work posture remains user-friendly, even when the binder is being used heavily. The equipment can also be used in the rain, and the strength and quality of the knots never deteriorates. The DF16 rebar binder functions in a purely mechanical manner and is able to continue operating even when site conditions are harsh. The cost of maintenance is kept to a minimum. Moreover, the DF16 can be operated with just one hand. The user therefore always has one hand free, which allows him to work more independently. With energy costs rising and environmental protection an issue, the innovative method of concrete core temperature control on building sites can no longer be overlooked. Another potential use for the DF16 binder, in addition to binding reinforcing steel and fixing ducts for electrical installations. The DF16 has a tie strip containing 77 individual ties, therefore enabling the rebar binder to consistently meet the toughest time demands. A Vergalhões product.